Imagine typing just a few words, and suddenly your words come alive. Not just a picture, but a face that smiles, talks, and even teaches. Let me introduce you to someone special.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a teacher, I'm a mom, and yes, I was created entirely by AI. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to make your own talking character just like me, all for free.
Now you've met Sarah. Let's talk about what we're going to build together in this video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple text prompt to a polished talking AI character that looks and sounds amazing. And the best part? We're doing it all for free.
It doesn't matter if you've never used AI before. You can follow along step by step. We'll start with creating an image of me, then we'll style me in different ways. After that, we'll bring me to life with voice and lip sync. And soon, you'll be able to create your own character too. Maybe even more stylish than me.
The tool we will be using is called Whisk. Whisk gives you unlimited image generations monthly, but you only get 5 video generations monthly. I will explain the Whisk interface, and then we will go ahead and create Sarah, our main avatar, afterwards. Let's get started with Whisk. Search on Google for Whisk AI. Click on the first result, labs.google/fx. Click on Launch Whisk and then click on Enter Tool. This takes you to the Whisk interface. Click on the black forward arrow to open up the Settings tab. The subject is where we select our main character. You can either type in the prompt or upload an image to generate what we want. Scene is where we select the outlook of the avatar, example, the clothing. Again, you can generate by text or by uploading the image. The style is where we select the environment for the avatar. Example is at home or school. You can paste your prompts in here. Click on the dice icon to generate random image suggestions for your visual prompts. It is designed for creative exploration when you don't have specific images in mind to use as a starting point. Aspect ratio, square, used for Facebook posts. Portrait, used for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, landscape, used for YouTube, Facebook posts. The precise reference allows for exact character and object consistency in AI-generated images by matching a provided reference image. And now we know the Whisk interface. Let's start with the very first step, creating your AI image using Whisk AI. Think of Whisk AI like a blank canvas. You just type what you want, and it paints the picture for you. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I will show the two methods of creating an image. Open the setting pane. Step 1, Upload method. Upload your image and make sure the radial is selected, yellow check mark. Paste your description, select the aspect ratio, and generate. Next, text to image. Click the text icon. Paste your image description in the dialog box and generate. Now let's make some few modifications to Sarah's appearance. Click on the generated picture. Click on the picture again and make changes as you want. Whisk AI keeps the pictures consistent. Now let's create images using the style and scene settings. Upload the reference picture or type in your prompt. Upload the scene. Paste your prompt in the description box. Click on Generate. You will notice that the generated image picked stuffs from the specified scene, style, and subject. Now let's create Sarah with a friend. Click on the plus icon in the subject section. Upload an image or use the text prompt. Upload the scene and style and paste your prompt in the description box. Click Generate. We will now generate other variations of scenes and styles for Sarah.
Here's the secret to great AI images. Be specific. Don't just type teacher, describe me. For example, a stylish middle-aged teacher, silk blouse, elegant jewelry, warm smile, cinematic lighting. The clearer your prompt, the more realistic and professional the image will look. Trust me. Details matter.
And that's it. Just by typing a sentence, we've created Sarah. Next, let's explore how to take that image and create different variations using another free tool called Nano Banana AI. Was that helpful? If this is giving you ideas already, hit like. It tells YouTube this tutorial's worth showing to more beginners.
And tap subscribe with the bell so you don't miss the next step. I'll be teaching right beside you.
Now let's take a look at another free AI image generator called Nano Banana. Nano Banana is Google's AI image editing model. It transforms and edits existing images based on natural language prompts. With Nano Banana AI, we can create variations, adjust styles, and even change backgrounds, all without starting from scratch. Think of it as giving Sarah a luxury wardrobe and new settings instantly.
I love a good wardrobe change. One moment I can be at home in a silk blouse, the next, in a blazer teaching a class or even enjoying coffee at a chic cafe.
Note, with the free option, the number of image generation is limited. When you get to the maximum, you will have to wait for 49 minutes before you can continue. Search on Google for Marina. Click on the first result. Click on Battle and select Direct Chat. Click on the image icon to change the model. Select Model. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Let's start generating. Upload an image and type out the description. You can paste your prompt directly. You can also add more images by clicking the plus icon. Now we create two variations of Sarah. Let's add a beach wear in Sarah's collection. Before we move on to making Sarah talk, let's take a moment to see just how flexible these AI tools really are. The same character, but in completely different styles. Sarah smiling, Sarah's sad face, Sarah's excited face, Sarah's surprised face, Sarah's disappointed face. Now comes the magic moment, bringing Sarah to life. We'll use a free tool called DreamFace that lets you animate any photo and sync it to speech. This is where your character stops being just an image and becomes someone you can actually talk to.
This is my favorite part. Watch closely. I'll go from still and silent to moving, smiling, and speaking. Suddenly, I feel alive. And yes, you can do this with any image, whether it's realistic, cartoon, or even fantasy characters.
Search on Google for DreamFace. Click Start Now. Here is DreamFace pricing options. Select Avatar Video. Upload your video. You can paste your audio text or upload the audio. If you paste your audio text, you need to select the voice. Click Generate. Listen to the generated video. If you like it, download it. If not, delete and regenerate.
Hello there, I'm Sarah. Just a few minutes ago, I was nothing more than a sentence, just text on a screen. But thanks to the magic of AI, here I am, talking, smiling, and sharing ideas with you. It's amazing what you can create with just a few free tools and a little imagination. If I can come to life, imagine what you can create next.
And just like that, Sarah is alive. You can see how her lips match the voice. Her smile looks natural, and suddenly she feels like a real person. But what really makes her convincing is the voice. For that, we'll use ElevenLabs, one of the best free tools for realistic text-to-speech. Let's create a voice that feels warm, professional, and elegant, just like Sarah. Search on Google for ElevenLabs. Click Login or Register. Select Text to Speech. Paste your speech text. Select a voice, click Generate. Listen to the generated voice. If you like it, download it. If not, regenerate. Go to DreamFace and generate the video.
A voice makes all the difference. Without it, I'm just a silent picture. But with it, I feel like a real person. My advice? Choose a tone that matches your character's style. Since I'm a teacher and a mom, my voice should feel calm, confident, and welcoming.
And just like that, Sarah has a voice. Now she can move, talk, and express herself. So far, we've created Sarah's image, styled her in different ways, brought her to life with animation, and now she even has a voice. That's a huge transformation, all done for free, step by step.
And remember, if I can do it, so can you. I was just text on a screen a few minutes ago. Now here I am, teaching you how to make characters of your own. Pretty incredible, right?
Let's take a moment to look back at what we've created today. We started with nothing but a text prompt. Then we designed Sarah, styled her in different ways, brought her to life with animation, gave her a voice, and all of this completely free.
And now it's your turn. You can create your own characters for teaching, storytelling, YouTube videos, or just for fun. Trust me, once you start, you'll realize the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, bring your imagination to life.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because next time we'll go even further. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.